Welcome back sa Ride Mo To. Kanina sinubukan natin ang fashion scooter ng Suzuki, the SkyDrive Sport. Ngayon naman, we have another bike that is perfect for beginners. This is the Suzuki Smash, the #1 selling leisure underbone dito sa Pilipinas. It's ideal for more adventurous millennials. Ano? Let's ride na!
Unang tingin pa lang, kita mo na kaagad sa forma ng Smash na this is a dynamic underbone. Sa harapan nito, makikita ang naging inspiration for this underbone, ang sikat na GSXR Superbike. Meron siyang multi-reflector headlight sa harapan that perfectly complements the multi-polygon reflector combination lamp sa likuran. Mula sa kulay, disenyo at tindig ng bike, pulido ang pagkakagawa nito. And take a look at this sports watch-inspired instrument cluster. Hindi lang ito para sa forma. It was designed this way to make everything easy to read kahit sa gabi. May kasama din itong gear position indicator which is very useful sa mga newbie riders at pati na rin sa mga veterano. Komportable din itong sakyan dahil sa ergonomic design ng kanyang upuan. Malambot pero may suporta ang seat nito at saktong-sakto ang upright seating position mo dahil dito. Hindi rin ito kataasan kaya madali itong magagamit ng lahat ng klase ng mga riders. Kung practicality ang pinag-uusapan, meron itong 8-liter compartment sa ilalim ng upuan na hindi man magkasya ang isang full-face helmet, makakapaglagay ka pa rin ng kung ano-anong kagamitan tulad ng tools, accessories o kaya mga pinamili. Plus din for this bike ang electric at kickstart para handa ka kahit pa sa sitwasyon na mahina na ang iyong battery. Pagdating naman sa makina, the Suzuki Smash is equipped with a 113cc 4-stroke carbureted single overhead cam engine. Suabe humatak ang Smash with its lightweight build, kaya maganda ang acceleration nito. Moving in and out of traffic is also easier because of how compact it is. And I'm guessing you will want to use this bike more in the city dahil matipid ito sa gas. In our tests, kaya nitong tumakbo ng hanggang 47 kilometers kada litro. In terms of braking performance, drum brakes ang nakalagay sa front and rear ng Smash. But Suzuki also offers a model na may disc brake sa harap for that extra stopping power. Tip lang sa ating mga bagong riders, easy lang sa pagpisil ng brakes. Huwag nyo itong biglayin para makaiwas na sa semplang.
Alright, this is the Suzuki Smash at kitang-kita at ramdam na ramdam mo why it is the #1 selling leisure underbone dito sa Pilipinas. It is a nice, small, compact design na napaka-beginner friendly in the sense na hindi siya overwhelming dalhin. It's quite easy to use. It's a 4-speed semi-automatic. Wala siyang clutch, so hindi mo kailangan magtimpla ng clutch and throttle. Pero kailangan mo pa rin mamili ng gear na tinatakbo ng bike mo. So you have 4 gears to choose from. Like I said, it's a 4-speed transmission. And there's a nice basic instrument cluster dito sa harap. No? Meron kang speedometer, odometer, meron kang gear indicator, you have a gas gauge, and of course indicators for your signal lights and your high beam, low beam. So all the basic information na hahanapin ng beginner rider or more experienced riders, nandito lahat yan sa basic cockpit ng Smash. Now the Smash is it's quite a nice nimble bike or underbone. Medyo masarap siyang i-maneuver. It's nice to drive, it's nice and light. At saktong-sakto lang ang kanyang 4-speed transmission. Now I would highly recommend this bike for beginners because of the fact na, like I said, maliit siya, magaan siya, madaling dalhin. It's quite low. So pagka medyo matangkad kang rider, you might feel a little bit cramped. So definitely this suits a bit of a smaller rider or yung mga hindi masyadong matangkad. But of course, taller riders can also use the bike with great comfort also. And of course, it features things like a push-button electric start at meron din siyang kickstart backup. So kung inabot ka ng medyo mahina ang baterya mo, meron kang kickstart backup to make sure that you get to where you're going. So whether you're a newbie or an experienced rider, the Suzuki Smash definitely checks the right boxes. Whew! Panalo tong Suzuki Smash. There's definitely a reason why this is the #1 selling leisure underbone dito sa Pilipinas. It's a nice, small, compact bike. Napaka-friendly niya, no? It's great for beginners at hindi ka rin mabibitin if you're a more experienced rider. It's a semi-automatic experience, no? Wala siyang clutch. Hindi mo kailangan magtimpla ng clutch and throttle, but you need to select the gear. Kailangan mo pa rin kumambyo between the 4 speeds that this transmission offers. Adequate naman yon. Tama lang yung speed niya, particularly for beginners or more novice riders dahil hindi siya masyadong nakaka-overwhelm or nakaka-nervyos na gamitin. It's a very friendly bike. It's highly maneuverable, napakatipid, and very practical dahil ang dali niyang hanapan ng mga parking space when you get to areas like this and you wanna park your bike. Swak na swak talaga to sa needs ng millennial. I'm not surprised why it is the #1 selling leisure underbone in the market now.